Hello explorers, welcome to this lesson. Due to the complexity of going through an entire data, a single value is used to derive insight of what other values look like. This single value can be derived using the concept of measures of center tendency. In this video, we will be discussing measures of center tendency. After this lesson, you should be familiar with the concept of measures of center tendency, how to calculate them, and their importance in statistics. Let's get the ball rolling. Measures of center tendency are values that best describe central position of a given group of data. Measures of center tendency are mean, median, and mode. To explain this concept better, we will be using patient data from Joe's Hospital as case study. In this lesson, we shall be focusing on discrete data. Mean. Mean is the average of a given set of data. It is sensitive to outliers. Outliers are a value completely different from other values in a group. The mean can be expressed as the sum of data over n, where n is the total number of patients. If the doctor is interested in getting the average weight of the patients, in this case, the mean would be the best average to use for this set of data. But if there is a completely different value from other numbers, we then face difficulty using the mean because it will not give us the true average of the group of data. Median. The median is the middle value of an ordered set of data. It is used on ordinal data and not affected by outliers. To use the median, the group of data needs to be arranged from lowest to highest. After this is done, the middle number is picked. If the hospital wants to find the average length of stay of patients in order to reduce the waiting period, the median will be used in this case because there are outliers in the data which would affect the average of the entire data if mean is used. In a situation where we have even number of data, we take the two middle numbers and divide by 2 to get the median. The mode on the other hand is the most occurring value in a set of data. It is used on nominal data or categorical data. If the hospital is interested in knowing the gender with the most visits to the hospital, the mode can then be used since the gender is a categorical data. In our case, the male gender visited the hospital the most. Another very important application of measure of center tendency is in replacing missing value in a data set. This is the end of the lesson with what was taught in this lesson. I hope you can now explain the measures of center tendency, the different measures of center tendency, and the importance they play in statistics. Catch you some other time.